yeah, yeah, everything goes perfectly on. I mean, according to our plan, right? Now, we have achieved our mission one, right? And then our consensus supporting point is at what level? Well, $50, right? That is a strong one. But anyhow, we have to do much better. Our next mission is 10% of 5.6 millions of holders, and the liquidity goes up to 10 times. Okay. So now let us see what happened. We basically know what is happening because um, there's a lot of these snipers or traders. They are doing, as video say, scalping. Okay. So how can we do much better than that? Now, without further ado, let us invite Mr. Yong, who who is so expert to use his technical analysis to go into what is happening on the FSP market today and what shall we do. So let's flowers on the floor, Mr. Yong.
Hello, everyone. If you can see my screen and hear my voice, please reply me triple two in the chat room. Okay, thank you for the response. So I now, okay, now let's talk about the current trend of the FSP price. Okay, I think I didn't talk the increase for a long time. Okay, so I think everyone know that FSP has been listed in the Pancreas for more than 10 days. From the day one, okay. From day one, okay. 1st of October, our initial price is around something like $8. When we listed at the around 2 p.m., our price looks like very skyrocket until around $7. So can you see the $7? $7. Our price once our FSP is open, our price is skyrocket to the around $7. Okay, 69. Okay, around 69. If you can see my line, okay, I just draw a line on the chart. So can you see the price 69.8 69.86? Can you see that? If you can see the price, please reply me triple three. Okay. Hello. Okay. So when our price is hit to the 69, our price is suddenly go to the 45. Okay. 45. Around 40, 43 something lah. Okay. Why our price will be go down suddenly? Because I think some of the crypto investor has been studying about our FFC during the donation period, and they also wait for the timing that once they listed, when our FFC is listed, they also buy a lot of the token at the very beginning time. So when they maybe were priced at the very low prices at the $9 something. So when they hit to the $7, actually they have around 7 times to 8 times or 9 times profit already. So they try to cash out and get the profit. So the price has go to the 44. And then the price also keep dropping until the 38. Okay, 38. Okay. 30, 34. Okay. 34. Okay, this is our price trend for at the first day. However, second day, our FSP is still have the momentum. Our many members and the crypto traders still continue to keep buying our FSP. So our price, okay, also come back to this $17. Okay. That means at this moment, when the second day, our price already hit the all-time high. Okay. This is our new all-time high. After that, our price has also go down to another also dropping already after the hit the all-time high. And the lowest price at that day is around 55. Okay, 55. So 55. So what's the we can see that there's some comparison. For example, for the first day, our price is dropped to the lowest is a 24. Second day, we hit it all-time high. So we can see that this one is our support level at the first day. Okay. When we hit the all-time high, okay, the new all-time high around 72, if we okay, 72. When we drop to the 45, 54, we can see that our support level has been increased from 30, around the 34 to 55. Okay, our support level has been increased already. So we keep, but hello, can you stop drawing the FSP? Okay, can you please stop drawing on my screen because I think it's difficult. Okay, okay. So when our price has been dropped to the sorry, I just hold on. I want to adjust the screen. Hold on, please.
Recording in progress.
So it seems that we have some discontented miner. So they are unhappy. Never mind. It's okay. But looks, listen please. If you are not so happy, I mean miners, if let me ask you one question. Do you want your SCF to be valuable? If yes, please stop disturbing. What we are trying to do is to build up your SCF. While FSP success, it will bring up the SCF price. Okay? Please cooperate. Otherwise, you are
Okay.
only disturbing
Uh,
yourself.
let me continue the explanation. Okay. We can see that our all-time is 72, but we are impossible that we can continue to grow our price. That's why, and some investors need to cash out the profit. So our price has been declined to 53. Okay. This is our support level actually. But compared to the day one, okay, actually our support level has been increased from 36 to 55. Okay, around 55. That means we have still have a very strong momentum to keep our price up. That's why after the day three, okay, our price still increased to another all-time high. That means it's $18. Okay, $18. Okay, but however, once we hit the all-time, However, our price still will be keep of course will be declined. This is a very normal. Not, when we hit all the all time high, then our price will be drop. However, our price already is our price is dropped to the around 72 already. The 72 is the next support level already. So this line will be also our resistance level, and this line is our support level. So after the few hours, our price also break the all-time high, become the all-time high. It's 98. Okay. Once our we beat all-time high, then our price also back to the 72. However, we still keep momentum, also increase another all-time high. So we always keep the momentum. That means you always keep the momentum. When we break the all-time high, then we're back to the support level. Until we also the next 4 days. I did the next 4 days. Okay, this one is the highest the all-time high. After the 6th day, okay, October, the 12 a.m. Our all-time high is around 124, 125. Okay. The highest all time high is around 121 and 122. Okay. So of course when we hit all the high, our price will be declined. And then after that, our we after that our price also increased to another next level. But also around this price. Okay, 121. But after that, our crypto investor feel that we don't have enough buying power already for the next level. That's why our trend has been changed. Now our upward trend has been changed because our crypto traders start to sell the token. That's why our price suddenly decrease to the okay. All-time high is a 128. Okay. After the next price increase is a 125. So we can see that we have not enough the buying power. That's why the crypto investors start selling their token to take the profit. That's why our price has increased drastically already. So the price has been increased to this level certainly. Okay. Drop 2 times. We can see it's dropped 2 times already. Okay. 2 times already. But this is a very normal for the all new coin. If you compare to the Bitcoin, especially the last 3 bull, last the second bull run, okay, there has been drop at least 40%. From the highest level drop to the lowest level, what is the percentage decline? Okay. From the highest level, this level dropped 2 times until the lowest point. We have dropped at least 43%. 43% is very normal because the crypto players start to take profit. And also our some of the member they feel panic already, so they are panic selling. So our price has been dropped dramatically. But however, we have the after this level, we have the book. This one we have shown that there's a very buying strong demand. So our price has been moved back to this 95, 95. Okay. However, because we don't have enough power, we cannot break through this resistance level. This is our resistance level. Okay. Resistance level. So the price has been keep dropping. So from this 2 time drop, we can see that our FSC has been show the downturn trend already. Okay. First time, second time, third time. Okay, we cannot break through the resistance level. This is our resistance level already. Okay, resistance level. So continue to drop. Okay, and we want to push up again because we don't have enough power already. The buying power is not enough. So our price has been continue to drop. Okay, how drop? This is our resistance level. Okay. However, let's say we can show that our the strong demand as this 43, 43. Okay, 43. And then our shop, because we have the book, we have our some of the members try to buying the price at this level. So they are so a very strong buying signal, and then we break through the second level, break through the resistance level. So we have these are the four. Okay, we can see that there's a very when our price for the 43 rebound to the 56, okay, around 56. Okay, 56. After that, when we hit the new all-time 56 $56, and then we have the pullback, then our price has been pulled back to the $15. When the $15, the Fibonacci line showing that the 0.5, 0.5. If you can check your price, if you can check your chart through the app, when our Fibonacci, these tools hit to the 0.5, that means this is our support level $15. Okay, so we can see that now our current price is 51. Why our price is 51? Because we have a very strong support level at the $15. So we can show that our price is still in try to accumulate in this level. Okay, in this level. In this level. So what is the next? We can predict that what is our price trend by next week or tomorrow. Actually, there are a few scenarios. First of all, when we keep continue and get the support from the $15, okay, and this is our $15, okay, our line is like that, okay, it's become the become the W shape, okay, W shape. So when our price keep continue to W shape, and then that means that we have a very high chance that we can go to the next level. Okay, next level. So what is our price next level? Okay, actually, now the function has some problem. So I use this chart. If I use these tools, when I put on the screen, okay, there are two possible. When if our price it can continue to go up, our price can be reached to the $7, can hit to $7, $7. If our price break is go down trend, then the price maybe is the is $13 according to this chart lah. That's what I draw lah, but now I cannot draw it. So how for our as a community level, we need to inform our friends or the new member, try to purchase more token, try to maintain this level. Otherwise, our price will be go down to $13. If our price is go down to $13, then we are very difficult to go back to the $100. So we want to maintain the $15. We want to maintain the higher price. We need to invite all our friends to purchase the token and add the liquidity. Okay. With our liquidity amount, actually we have increased at least 2 million a day from 2 days ago until now. According to my memory, our liquidity amount on last Thursday is around 29.5 million, not increased to 2 million. Why increase so much in 2 days? Because we have a lot of the holder already. For last 2 days, if you had take note about the holders amount, 2 days ago, our holders is around 100,000 only. Now our holder is 120,000. That means we have increased 20,000 already. That's why we can increase the liquidity amount. Okay. Okay. Just like I mentioned that we have 3 scenarios. Once our continue to accumulate at this price range, we can hit the $17. If we have lost the support level of $15, we can go back to the $13, but we try not to go back to the $13 because once we hit the $13, we are very difficult to go back our $100. So anybody, must try to inform the committee, try to do the purchase stock order of FSP and the at the liquidity pool at our liquidity. Okay. So I finished my chart. Let's proceed our video. Okay.
As FinSwap token experiences a deep price correction, market sentiment is filled with fear. However, it is precisely during such moments that we often see the potential for a strong rebound. The cryptocurrency market is known for its unpredictability, and many successful investment stories begin when the market appears darkest. So, how can FinSwap token achieve a strong rebound after this sharp decline? First, the regrouping of buying power in the market will be key to the rebound. As the price dropped from $127 to $62, some short-term arbitrage traders and unstable holders have exited, creating a golden buying opportunity for investors confident in the project's long-term prospects. The $62 level is an ideal entry point for large-scale and long-term investors, especially those who believe FinSwap has the potential to return to above $100. These investors often focus on the project's technical potential and future development, rather than short-term fluctuations, allowing them to seize the opportunity to buy during market downturns. Second, the power of the community will play a critical role in this rebound. FinSwap is backed by a cohesive and vibrant community that not only drove prices higher when the project first launched, but also has the ability to stand strong during price declines. History shows that many cryptocurrency rebounds are fueled by community support, and FinSwap is no exception. As the price falls to $62, discussions within the community are likely intensifying, calling for more supporters to enter the market, increase spot buying, and inject liquidity into the pools, all of which will provide strong momentum for a price rebound. In addition, strong community consensus and the long-term belief of token holders often create stable support during downturns, serving as a solid foundation for recovery. From a technical analysis perspective, the $62 level has become a potential strong support point. On the candlestick chart, this level not only represents a recent low, but is also identified by many technical indicators as a buying zone. Typically, at such support levels, there are numerous limit orders waiting to be triggered. Once these buy orders are activated, the price could rebound quickly. If the market demand can break through $62, the next resistance level will be at $73, and if that is successfully breached, the probability of a rebound to $96 increases significantly. The repeated testing of these support and resistance levels will be a crucial guide for the market's direction. Additionally, market news could act as a catalyst for the rebound. If the FinSwap project team releases favorable developments during this period, such as announcements of partnerships, the launch of new features, or expansion of token use cases, it could quickly boost market confidence. Every piece of positive news brings more capital inflows, further driving the price rebound. Many past strong rebounds in cryptocurrency projects have been driven by such news, and if FinSwap can roll out new developments during this time, it could trigger a similar market reaction, particularly if the team launches major product updates or expands the practical use cases for the token. It would further reinforce the bullish sentiment. Ultimately, the key to the rebound lies in a shift in market sentiment. Once the price stabilizes at a support level, investor panic will gradually subside, and FOMO, fear of missing out, will reappear. Those who missed the last price surge, seeing a rapid rebound after the price correction, will often rush back into the market, fearing they will miss the next upward move. This emotional shift will be a major driver of FinSwap's price rebound. Once a positive feedback loop forms in the market, the price could return to higher levels, potentially even surpassing its previous all-time high. Currently, FinSwap's price volatility remains high in the short term, with repeated tests around the $62 level by short-term traders and investors. The price briefly rebounded to $87, but failed to break through the $96 resistance level, leading to another pullback to $73. According to candlestick chart analysis, if the price fails to successfully rebound from $73, it could continue downward to test the support at $65 or even $55. If market demand further weakens, the price may reach the $38 deep correction level. However, once support is firmly established within these ranges, it could trigger a significant wave of buying, driving a strong rebound in price. In conclusion, FinSwap's price rebound is not out of reach. With the regrouping of market buying power, the push from community support, confirmation of technical support levels, and favorable market news, FinSwap has a great chance to once again show its strong upward potential and deliver an exciting rebound. Investors need to stay sharp and seize this potential opportunity to ride the next wave of wealth creation. When will the FinSwap token make a strong rebound? First, we need to examine the latest FSP data and information. FSP's total market cap has reached $5.076 billion, with a total supply and circulating supply of 100 million tokens. The number of holders has grown rapidly to 110,380 in just 9 days, placing FSP at the 15th spot in the rankings. In comparison, Pumpcoin holds the top spot with 1,023,719 holders, followed by Dogecoin with 832,581 holders, and FTC and Burn tokens with 761,299 and 555,365 holders respectively, all of which have been operational for at least 3 months to 3 years. Therefore, FSP has the potential to surpass 1 million holders within the next 3 months and even reach the top. The key to realizing this potential lies in our community consensus. If community members hold their tokens without selling, this will gradually reduce the circulating supply of FSP in the market, thereby driving the token price higher. How can we strengthen community consensus? One effective approach is to collaborate with the project team to jointly manage the token's growth. In decentralized finance, or DeFi, liquidity is crucial. Currently, about 69,325 token holders are participating in the liquidity pool, making up 68% and contributing $29.5 million in liquidity, positioning FSP as the second largest liquidity token on PancakeSwap, just behind Baby Doge's $30.2 million. These figures are enough to attract the attention of the 4 million investors in the secondary market. Why is liquidity so important? Liquidity pools are the cornerstone of DeFi. They provide the capital needed to support activities like asset trading and lending, ensuring smooth market operations. Unlike traditional finance, which relies on market makers and institutional investors, DeFi liquidity pools use smart contracts and blockchain technology to establish decentralized markets, allowing anyone to provide liquidity and earn passive income. Greater liquidity means more efficient price discovery, smaller slippage, and lower transaction costs. This is key for FSP token holders and potential investors, because high liquidity ensures a more stable market with lower price volatility risk. In summary, by enhancing liquidity and strengthening community consensus, FSP is poised for a strong price rebound in the coming months. What is liquidity? Liquidity can be divided into two main forms: asset liquidity and market liquidity. Asset liquidity refers to how quickly an asset can be converted into cash. Cash or deposits are highly liquid assets because they can be used for transactions immediately. In contrast, real estate or art are low liquidity assets because they are harder to sell quickly in the market or may require longer processing times. Market liquidity refers to the number of buyers and sellers and the transaction volume in a market. If there are many buyers and sellers in the market, transactions will flow smoothly and prices will remain stable. Such a market is considered highly liquid. Importance of liquidity. Liquidity is crucial for both markets and investors for the following reasons. Price stability. A liquid market helps avoid sharp price fluctuations. When there are many buyers and sellers, even large amounts of capital moving in and out won't cause drastic price changes. In illiquid markets, slippage, where the actual transaction price differs from the expected price, can occur, raising costs or lowering returns for investors. Transaction efficiency. High liquidity allows assets to be quickly bought or sold, enabling investors to manage their assets more flexibly and seize market opportunities. Especially in DeFi, liquidity pools ensure smooth token transactions without waiting for counterparties to appear. Risk reduction. A highly liquid market is relatively stable, as assets can be traded easily. Investors can exit the market quickly under favorable conditions, reducing potential loss risks. In illiquid markets, assets can become trapped, forcing investors to endure higher price volatility. Market depth. Liquidity also increases market depth, meaning there are enough buy and sell orders to support large trades without significantly affecting prices. This is particularly important for institutional investors who typically need to execute large transactions. Capital efficiency. Liquidity pools improve the efficiency of capital use, especially in DeFi, where liquidity providers can deposit assets into pools to earn returns without waiting for counterparties, speeding up the circulation and use of funds. Liquidity brings multiple benefits to financial markets and individual investors. Firstly, it ensures efficient market operation. Highly liquid markets enable fair asset pricing, as buyers and sellers can react quickly. This avoids major price fluctuations and allows investors to easily buy or sell assets, maintaining market vitality. Improved investment returns are another benefit. In highly liquid markets, investors can more easily capitalize on arbitrage opportunities and act quickly when new opportunities arise. This maximizes capital usage and potential returns. Lower transaction costs are also a significant advantage. In liquid markets, transactions can be completed with smaller spreads, reducing transaction costs. This is a direct benefit for investors, especially when making large trades, as it significantly improves returns. Additionally, enhanced market transparency is a key benefit. Liquid markets tend to have higher transparency because asset prices reflect market demand quickly. Transparent markets attract more participants, further promoting development and stability. Finally, liquidity serves as a foundation for financial innovation. In DeFi, liquidity pools are the cornerstone of many innovative financial products, such as decentralized exchanges, DEX, and decentralized lending protocols. These applications rely on liquidity pools to provide sufficient funds to support the growth of the decentralized financial ecosystem. Despite its many benefits, providing liquidity comes with risks and challenges, especially in the DeFi space. One such challenge is impermanent loss. This is a risk faced by liquidity providers in a liquidity pool. When asset prices in the pool fluctuate, the value of the assets held by the provider may be lower than the initial investment, leading to potential losses. Another challenge is smart contract risk. Liquidity pools rely on smart contracts to manage funds and transactions. These contracts may have vulnerabilities or be attacked, resulting in asset loss. This is a key risk in DeFi platforms. Market volatility is also a concern. Even in highly liquid markets, assets can experience sharp price changes during periods of high volatility. This poses challenges for both liquidity providers and traders, as they may face unexpected price swings. In DeFi, liquidity pools play a critical role, serving as the foundation of decentralized financial platforms. They allow users to trade tokens without a central intermediary. These pools are built by participants depositing assets who can earn trading fees and rewards from yield farming. In conclusion, liquidity is essential for any financial market, whether traditional or decentralized. It ensures smooth market operations, provides price stability, improves capital efficiency, reduces transaction costs, and promotes market innovation. The emergence of liquidity pools has further boosted the vitality of the DeFi market, enabling ordinary investors to participate in liquidity creation and management, thus promoting the development of decentralized finance. When a crypto
Okay, I want to show some data from the every AI. Okay, Okay, just now I have using the test tool to analyze our SSP price trend. Another tool is AVA. I think all the members are familiar of this tool. Okay, some data from the area they did not show in the test tool, so I always check the FSP price trend by using this tool. Okay, in the AV AI, we can see there's a lot of the blockchain. First is a Solana. Okay, second one is a BSC chain. And then the third is the Ethereum, Base, and Polygon, and the other chain. Okay. So I just pick the BSC chain. So, and like there are some many parameters that we can see there are many parameters. First is the price, market cap, and liquidity, and the holders. Okay. Let us see the liquidity. Okay. Before I want to check the top 10 the most top 10 liquidity pool size, I will set the lower range around 10 million. Okay. And the highest is a 100 million. So I click confirm. So when I click the confirm, the most highest top 10 liquidity pool are the first one is a BNB, okay, FSP, Flocky, SCB, CAT, and other token. From the last 2 days ago, the top one liquidity pool is the baby dog. Okay. And then 2 days ago, the liquidity pool size is a 29.5. Okay. And currently we are the top one in the pancake shop already for the size of the liquidity pool. And our current value of the liquidity pool is 31.5. Okay. Why the liquidity pool is very important for us? The first thing is that we want to attract the secondary market crypto trader. The first parameter they want to see is the liquidity pool. Okay. Because when those very big crypto player or the big wheel, they want to invest any token. If the pool size is very small, that means the volatility of this coin is very high. So if I'm a crypto trader, if I invest in the very big liquidity pool size, okay, they maybe cannot get back the money from the liquidity pool because too small already. So that's why our main objective is that we need to increase the liquidity as much as possible. So what is the ideal pool size? Maybe it's a 1B or 1B or 1B. Okay, at least 1B. Otherwise, we cannot attract the secondary market to invest our FSP during the altcoin season. When is our altcoin season? In my opinion, the altcoin season may not happen in this year. Maybe they will happen in the next year. Okay, maybe it's at the end of the bull run. That means we try to our best, try to increase our pool size. Okay, that means we still have enough time. So we can see that from the company strategy. Okay, we try to involve our member to join our mining program. Why we need to join the mining program? Okay, the first thing is that we need all the members to hold the token. But if you ask the member to hold token without any without any incentive, many members will not hold the token or participate in the liquidity pool, in your mining reward. Okay. To participate in the mining reward is very common in the DeFi sector. Okay. Actually, our FSP tokens is in the DeFi in our DeFi narrative. Okay. What are the biggest profitable narrative in this bull run, first of all, is a DeFi. Okay. Second is the AI sector. Third is RWA. Fourth is the staking. And the last part, I think, is the layer one blockchain. Okay. So to extract, and then I checked our data, the most profitable segment is the DeFi segment. Okay. To increase the liquidity pool, okay, the first thing is that we must participate our liquidity money to get 1% daily reward. It's very good for member. So I hope all the community members try to persuade and ask your team member to participate our liquidity, to participate our the liquidity mining. Okay. And then the second thing we need to see is the holder. Okay. Let us see who are the biggest holder in the pancake swap. Okay. 2 million. Mm. Okay. Based on the latest data, let's see which are the biggest holder in the pancake swap. Okay. From the latest data, the biggest holder is a baby dog. Okay, 1.8 million. 1.8 million. And their liquidity pool size is a 31.1. Okay. So if we need to have the highest liquidity pool size, we must get the support from the holder. The more holder we have the biggest liquidity pool. Okay. Oh, there's another pool size is a 2.7 million. Okay. Space PI, they have a 2.7 million holder in this coin called Space PI. However, their pool size is only 1.5 million order. So that means we only have 120,000 holder, but we are one of the biggest liquidity pool in the pancake swap. Okay. So we can consider that our result is quite good already. Okay. This is the first holder. Second holder is baby dog. What are who are the third place? The third place in the pancake swap is I think is Dogecoin. 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 Okay. Allow 800,000 of the member in the Dogecoin, but his liquidity pool in the 1.5 million. That means actually we have spent around 11 days. Then we can hit then we committed around the 120,000 of members. So actually our FSP is quite okay, the result. We see the FSP, okay. So we are the top one in the liquidity pool. We have the 31.5 to 31.6 million of the liquidity pool. And our holders has been increased to 133,000 of the member. However, if you can see that there are a lot of the sniper bot. Okay, this is called sniper bot. There are a few crypto players install a sniper bot in the crypto. That's why our price, okay, has been decreased from $100 to until $50 because many players are using the sniper bot to gain the profit. But anyway, if we keep increase our holder in the FSP, and then they also add into the liquidity, actually our price would be increased more stable in future. So actually no worry about that. Okay. And we see that another coin is called PASE. He also had 3 of the sniper on this coin. However, the holder only 25,000, but the pool size is only 1.7 million. So actually this coin quite small as compared to the FSP. Okay. Okay. Let's see another next video.
Cryptocurrency meets the conditions outlined in the risk assessment, it may be a safer and more worthy investment. Below is a detailed analysis of each condition and how these factors reduce risk, making the cryptocurrency more valuable for investment. 1. Renounce, unable to set blacklist. Revoking permissions means the contract developer has relinquished the ability to modify the contract, preventing the addition of a blacklist function that could block certain addresses from trading. This is a crucial safeguard for investors, as it reduces the risk of malicious manipulation and ensures fair trading. 2. Renounced cannot mint. When developers can no longer mint new tokens, it means the circulating supply is fixed. This eliminates the risk of developers diluting the token's value or committing fraud by suddenly increasing the supply. For investors, it ensures token scarcity and provides a more stable market environment. 3. Does not look like a honeypot. A honeypot is a malicious contract that allows you to buy tokens but prevents you from selling them. If a token is verified to not have honeypot characteristics, it indicates that investors can freely buy and sell, ensuring liquidity. This boosts the token's credibility and lowers the risk of fraud. Contract is open source. Open source contracts allow anyone to inspect and audit the smart contract code, greatly enhancing transparency. The community can review the contract for any malicious code, preventing scams. For investors, this is a key measure of the project's integrity and security. Owner cannot tamper with balance. If the contract owner cannot modify individual balances, it ensures the security of investors' funds, preventing developers or other privileged parties from altering balances or transferring funds. This protects investors' assets and eliminates the risk of internal fraud. Doesn't look like a proxy contract. Proxy contracts allow developers to modify the contract without redeploying it, providing a backdoor for altering token rules. If a token is not a proxy contract, its rules are fixed after deployment and cannot be arbitrarily changed, offering investors a security guarantee. Slippage cannot be modified. Slippage refers to the difference between the expected price and the transaction price. If developers cannot change slippage, it means investors won't face unexpected high slippage fees, thus avoiding increased trading costs. This ensures that investors can trade at fairer prices and reduces manipulation risk. No whitelist. The absence of a whitelist means the project doesn't restrict trading to certain designated users during its early stages or other periods. This ensures openness and fairness in the market, giving all investors equal opportunities to trade, which is critical for healthy market functioning. Admin privileges abandoned. If admin privileges have been revoked, it means control over the contract has been transferred to the community or fully relinquished. The developers can no longer make changes or manipulate the contract, providing an extra layer of security for investors. Cannot take back ownership. If ownership cannot be reclaimed, it ensures that even if the contract creator initially had certain privileges, once they are relinquished, they cannot be restored. This guarantees the project's decentralized nature and prevents developers from regaining control to manipulate the token, enhancing transparency and trust. No transaction cooldown mechanism. The absence of a transaction cooldown mechanism means investors are not restricted by time intervals when making trades, allowing for free trading. This is particularly beneficial for active traders, as they can buy or sell tokens quickly without worrying about time restrictions, increasing liquidity and market freedom. Comprehensive analysis. A token that meets these conditions demonstrates high levels of transparency and security. Developers have relinquished most control and manipulation capabilities, and the contract is open source and fixed, effectively preventing malicious actions. Such a token is safer and more transparent for investors, especially in the current crypto market where scams and honeypots are common. These conditions are crucial for ensuring investor protection. Therefore, a token that passes these risk checks is worth analyzing further and may be considered for inclusion in an investment portfolio. As FinSwap token.
Okay, the last part I need to talk. So, okay, the last part I need to talk about is the audit check. Okay, actually, the audit checks is we went to see the audit check. Actually, I will use the test tool to check about to audit check about the FSP. So, according to our price, okay, our price of the audit score. Okay, it's about 82. Okay, and the full mark is 99. So actually, our FSP test score is quite considered okay lah. First of all, we have a contract modified. Okay, and the second is a honey pot. What does it mean honey pot? That means uh when the user want to purchase our FSP token, he can purchase but cannot sell. This is called honey pot. So we have modified that we are not a honey pot. That's why the green score is saying the green score is no. Okay. Other that is very important is a community trust. Based on our community trust, okay, we have only 100%. Okay, but there are only 3 words. But I think in future there's a lot of words for this test caller. Okay. So I have sent all the video to the YouTube. If you want to know more about it, you can. I will share the link to in the group so you can watch again about this video. Okay, CK, I pass the mic to you now.
Okay, thanks, Mr. Yong, for his very detailed analysis. So we can see roughly, we can see now clearly, yeah. Why is it the price is going up and down? Why is it so, gang? I hope you have pay attention to it. So as in this, what you call AVE.ai, it listed that who comes in to become our market player. Okay. And there is 26 sniper, as the name, they come and grab profit. And what they are using AI, okay, to snipe. That means scalping. So that means our platform is so welcome. Yeah. And these people, they see the potential and it is good. It shows that our data really impressive of all the parameter Mr. Yong has just what do you call shown us just now. So thanks God. That means we are on the track on the market move. Yeah. So there's some people saying that fake or whatever is okay because they are lacking of the knowledge of this crypto. And I suggest that the first thing you go to Google and you study what is BSC scan. Yeah. All other things you don't have to care. Or maybe you can study the DEX tool because AVE.ai appears in our wallet. You don't trust us. So you thought that we incorporate with the AVE.ai. Actually, it's just not. It is just one of the apps we are using. Okay. So you can study DEX tool like what Mr. Yong has been using all the while. And the most important thing, you must understand what is BSC scan. Otherwise, you are making yourself worry and getting you nowhere. Right not? Yeah, you have to get into the right way, the right track. We are on the pancake swap. We are on Binance chain. How can you say it is flat? I don't understand. From what ground? All right. From what sort of understanding you have? Okay. So now, Mr. Mr. Yong, should we give some Q&A? Mr. Yong? Okay, never mind. Let me answer what is in the chat.
We proceed the Q&A question.
Okay. So let us start with because these questions I don't really get it. What is $400? Never mind. Is a company putting $2 million? I have answered that. This is very good news. Is the investigation completed yet? That means what do you mean is what Mr. Yong has shown in the audit check. Yes. All right. So Mr. Yong has just read out all the checkers point. Okay, the factors. That means we are transparent. We are clear of everything. Doubtful. Our company hands off. We don't have admins right. Now the company have only work a little bit harder, help us on the market movement. The market movement is the KOL. So on the FSP side, technically there is nothing company can do. You don't have admin right. It already burned through the contract, admin's contract to the black hole. What do you mean by black hole? I suggest you go and study BSC scan. All right, it is recognized throughout the crypto world about all the contracts, transactions. Yeah, it is clearly shown there. Nothing can be fake. If you say it's fake, then BTC also fake, Ethereum also fake. How can they get up to this ETF of United States. So be mindful of what you want to ask, right? Study before you ask. So like I say, once and for all for these sessions, all SCF, regarding SCF, what is the company announcement of SCF after FinSwap launch? Okay, FSP is just this thing. FinSwap is our exchange. It will launch later. When? Don't ask me. Ask yourself. The harder you work to promote, to viral, whatever we have teach you for FSP, and more people get to know, comes in faster, then the FinSwap will launch faster. Like Mr. Yong said, we must have enough holder. Then 100K is not enough. It must be above millions. So our mission, right, is to target how to get our holders into millions people. Okay. Is that clear? I hope I make myself very clear to all these answers. All right. So, okay, your account is hacked. Your LP withdrawal, anyone, where I report. You click on the menu bar and then click contact us, write email to the admin of our company. All right. When we open the stock exchange, like I have answered, it depends on your effort. There is no date. The date is on your hand. If you want it faster, promote FSP. Promote our liquidity pool. That is the answer for it. Right. What about SCF related information from company side after FinSwap launch? Can you have means to convert after FinSwap launch about FUSD SCF after FinSwap launch? Then you have news for that. I have been holding years now, holding what? FSP, FCF, SDC. For FSP, you have to add liquidity pool. At least, I guess, if the company request is 50 USDT worth of FSP plus 50 USDT. But when the price fluctuates, sometimes your $50 worth of FSP become 40, right? So I think you top up, you add up at least 60 or 70. Yeah, pairing. Yeah, 70. That will be more secure because for the day when the price is down below 50, then the mining, your this one will stop mining or whatever. So how much is the liquidity pool? The liquidity pool is already there, all right, in the contracts. And then it binds with the contracts. Since company have no more admin rights, you see, in DEX, there's no manpower need to do all the executions. All is based on the contracts. So this 20 million FSP already bind in the contracts. It's already there, ready there for you. Okay. So whenever you meet the criteria, it will release to you automatically. This is called fully automation. All right. So how it release? 1% upon your stacking amount. Your liquidity pool amount. So about SCF plus FUSD, wait after for liquidity. Wait after FinSwap launch. For someone with 790 FSP coin, congratulates you. On Trust Wallet, coin rate didn't show. Why? You don't need to go to Trust Wallet, TP Wallet, MetaMask, all these things. Everything was shown in your SCF wallet. When the networking, if you go there, and more likely you are going to be hacked. All right. If you go to Pancake Swap, more likely you are going to be hacked. That's why our company make it safe for us to operate in our site, because our interface have bind with this connected with Pancake Swap. So you don't have to go all the way there. And then within the SCF, within your own wallet, it is very safe. When the networking pair, okay, so how do you sure that the transactions in your wallet is happening? There is a BSC scan. I mean, no, there's no, but there is a yellow, orange dot on the transaction. You click on that, the BSC scan will show you your transactions hash. When the networking plan will implement no more, because FSP anybody can buy from the market. Why do you need the marketing plan for? So Mr. Asha, wait until next live. Maybe I will learn this your language. All right. Good news, FSP listing fish swap. Okay. So I think that is the all the questions that we have. Yeah. So let's only the action, pump and viral. Yes, yes, yes. Sorry. All right. So any Mr. Yong, do you have anything to add? Glad with this group, with all these what you call that? Very, the questions, yeah, it clears away the doubts of many others too. So then our sheer group is a very strong group, and we have very high consensus. Yes, pump and viral. All right. So Mr. Yong, anything to add?
That's all. That's all my presentation for today.
So let's give power to Mr. Yong for his best effort to make us clearer and have more confidence on FSP. And if those people who have the earlier questions, if you have really go through what Mr. Yong has said, you should have cleared away your mind's, what do you call that, cloud. Yeah, you should be clearer now. Otherwise, you go and study BSC scan. All right. If you think everything is scam, fraud, fake, go and study BSC scan. And in your wallet, you just one click, then your transactions will appear on the BSC scan. All right. Yes. So next mission, right? Promotes viral our liquidity pool. Then our price will be more stable. Okay, and then it will accumulatively getting higher and higher, like finance. All right. You see, of all the cryptocurrency, finance is the most stable coin. All right, in their price fluctuation. All right. So because why? Because they have huge data, of course lah. Their pools, and then the transactions. Of course, we have so many pools. Sometimes you can see so many Ethereum also, Dogecoin also. They have so many pools on so many exchanges like OKX, like Coinbase. So the different exchanges, they have different pools with different data. Okay. Right, Palm and Viral. I love you guys, gang. Yes, that is our FSP baby. Yes, God loves you. So we shall call it a night. Yeah, thanks everyone. Yeah, good night. So anything further you need to discuss or whatever, or all the links we will send to our Telegram groups. Okay, I'll send the Telegram group. Okay. So like Mr. Yong said that when he upload to YouTube, then you will get the YouTube link for it. Okay, in our Telegram group or maybe in the next session. Telegram group link. Right. I think with this type of consensus we had, wow, we'll achieve the next missions, even to the third stage, the 100 days mission, up to 1 million users, holders. No problem. Any problem, guys? No problem. Yeah. Yeah, confidence now, huh? Right. So what do you viral? If you don't have anything to viral, you just viral our YouTube link. That's all. Very simple. Okay. So I'll give you all this link here that when I have the Mr. Yong one, I'll post it to our group, to Telegram group. Okay. So you viral the parade of our this, what do you call that? YouTube link. All right. It's a long list. So yes. Okay. Right. Palm and viral. Oh yeah, the great man. I love it. All right. Hip hip hooray. Yes. Mamma mia. Do we have Italian? Hmm. Okay. So let's copy all this thing. Then let's call it a night. Yes. Thank you all. Yeah. Good night.